Hello viewers, I'm Maitli. Today we are going to see 11th CBSE Maths Linear Inequalities Exercise 6.2 question number 1. Let's see the question. Solve the following inequalities graphically in two-dimensional plane. So we need to solve it in a graph paper. They have given, we need to solve it the inequality in a graph paper. Yeah, the question is x plus y is less than 5. The given question is x plus y is less than 5. It is less than. So we don't know graph to do less than. We have learned it is in equal to. Now we are going to take this equation to be let us consider. I am going to take this to be an equal to, that is x plus y is equal to 5. We know to do the graph of equal to, we know that y is equal to 5 minus x. Substituting the value of x, we can find the value of y. Here you can take 2 to 3 points. It is not necessary taking more points. If I take x to be 0, we know that y is equal to 5. If I take y to be 0, then I know my x. It's not necessary for you to substitute only x. You can also substitute y over here. Okay, let me take x to be 1. If x is 1, we know that y is equal to 4. So I have taken only 2 points. With the 2 points, we can draw the graph now. So let us plot the points in the graph. 0, 5. 0 and 5 is over here. I have marked in the pen. I'm just marking with the pen because it will be easy for you to view. You need to do it in pencil. So 0, 5 is here. Now 1, 4. 1, 4 is here. Join this two line 0, 5 and 1, 4. If I join this two, this is my line of the equation x plus y is equal to 5. So we have marked only x plus y equal to 5. But we want x plus y is less than 5. For that, this is not the graph of x plus y less than 5. This is the linear line is x plus y is equal to 5. To find x plus y is less than 5, take any point over here or here. It's better if you don't have a point of 0, 0, always take 0, 0 as a point. Substitute in the given equation, that is in x and y place, substitute 0, 0. Now you see, substituting (0, 0) on the graph, on the thing, we have got x plus y is less than 5. So 0 plus 0 is less than 5. So 0 will be less than 5. According to this, it is true. Because we know that 0 is less than 5. So if this is true, we have taken the point over here. This is the point we have taken. So your shading should be on the 0, 0. It should be towards 0, 0. So from the line, you need to shade towards 0, 0 because the taken thing is true. If it is false, it should be away from the 0, 0. If it is false, your shading should be on this side. As it is true, it should be on the 0, 0. The shaded portion is here. It is x plus y less than 5 is your graph. Here we need to write the shaded region shows the inequality x plus y is less than 5. So your shaded region will be your x plus y less than 5. That's all with the graph. Thank you.